Today, I solve a Rubik's Cube in a tree. Here we go. You can still go higher. God, this is terrifying. Kind of. A little bit. I'm actually recording this with my phone taped to my shirt, so I have no idea what this even looks like. I just have to hope that it turns out good. These branches are getting a little thin. I'm not even sure if this is a speed-giving video anymore. Okay, as you can see, I am pretty high above the ground. Pretty high in the air, too. Alright, I've got my timer here. I'm still taping it to the tree. I'm gonna clean up the tape later, don't worry. Yeah, I like the earth too. Let's put this over here. Okay, I've got my cube and my timer's here. I don't have a good camera angle of it, but I don't care because I'm in a tree. I'm gonna scramble my cube. Alright, that looks scrambled. Alright, it works. And I'm not going for speed here. I'm not going for speed. I just want to do one solve, then I'm getting out of this tree. See it? Boom, got F2 all done. Easy OLL. And there we go. 19, sub 20. Alright, now I can say I'm the first YouTuber, or first person to ever solve a Rubik's Cube in a tree.